Internships have become a crucial stepping stone for students aiming to secure their first job. They offer hands on experience in a professional setting, bridging the gap between academic learning and real world application. Employers often view internship experience as evidence of practical skills and adaptability, making candidates more attractive in a competitive job market. Internships also provide valuable networking opportunities, allowing students to connect with professionals in their chosen field. By gaining insight into workplace culture and expectations, interns can better prepare themselves for full time employment. For many, internships are the fastest and most effective route to launching a successful career. Internships offer students a unique opportunity to bridge the gap between academic learning and professional experience. By working in real world environments, students gain hands on skills that textbooks alone cannot provide. These experiences allow them to apply theoretical knowledge to practical tasks, enhancing problem solving and communication abilities. Employers highly value candidates who have completed internships, as it demonstrates adaptability and a readiness to contribute from day one. Through internships, students also learn workplace etiquette and develop professional networks, further preparing them for future careers. Ultimately, internships serve as a vital stepping stone towards successful employment. Internships play a crucial role in helping students build and expand their professional networks. By working within real-world environments, interns gain access to industry contacts who can offer valuable insights and guidance. These connections often include experienced professionals and potential mentors who can support career development and open doors to future opportunities. Engaging with colleagues and supervisors allows interns to learn about different roles and pathways within their chosen field. Through networking events, team projects, and daily interactions, students can establish relationships that may prove beneficial long after their internship ends. Ultimately, internships serve as a bridge between academic learning and professional growth, fostering connections that can shape a student's career trajectory. Internship experience plays a significant role in enhancing employability. By participating in internships, individuals gain practical work history that is directly relevant to their chosen field. This hands-on experience allows them to develop industry-specific skills and become familiar with workplace expectations. Employers often view internship experience as a sign of initiative, indicating that a candidate is proactive and motivated to learn. Additionally, internships can help candidates build professional networks and references, further strengthening their job prospects. Overall, having internship experience can set applicants apart in a competitive job market. After Passout plays a crucial role in guiding students through the process of finding and securing internships that align with their career goals. The platform offers personalized support, helping students identify opportunities that match their skills and interests. Through expert advice and resources, students learn how to craft compelling applications and prepare for interviews. After Passout also provides ongoing mentorship, ensuring that students not only land internships but also excel during their placements. This comprehensive approach increases the likelihood of meaningful professional experiences, setting students up for future success. In summary, internships offer invaluable opportunities for students to gain practical experience, develop essential skills, and build professional networks. These experiences not only enhance your resume but also provide clarity about your career goals and interests. By participating in internships, students can bridge the gap between academic learning and real world application, making them more competitive in the job market. Resources like After Passout are designed to support you in finding the right internships and navigating your career journey. Leveraging such platforms can help you discover new opportunities, connect with mentors, and stay informed about industry trends. Taking advantage of these tools and experiences will set a strong foundation for your future success.